The reason for the dentistry work was purely and simply as a result of my younger days playing rugby in school at 14. I had teeth removed playing rugby, and thereafter, I had dentures. After years, they decay, and then I had to have them all out.
I had a problem with my three front teeth, and I went to work that morning. I was rather conscious that I had to contact my dentist as soon as possible to get something rectified.
I've been managing with 3 bridges, and they've just collapsed over the years, and I couldn't have, really a denture wasn't an option for me because I don't have the ridges in the roof of my mouth that would support a denture.
With my job, I've got to speak to people constantly all day, meeting people. So I decided to look into implants. And I knew a mate of mine who'd had implants, and he'd had them done with Nigel, and he recommended him, and I went and seen him.
When I went upstairs and I was introduced to Nigel, I found him such a very amenable person, a person very warm in his outlook. You could take to him straight away. He explained the procedures to me, took me into another room where he x-rayed my mouth just to check that my bone structure was suitable for what he was going to recommend.
The things that you're worried about, and you say, what about this, what about that? And he said, oh, that's no problem, we can fix that. And
he made you feel very, very at ease, particularly when he put me back in the chair and I was looking at the television in the ceiling.
I went in, needle was put into me, Nigel was talking to me. The next thing I knew, he was talking to me again, and the procedure was done.
I had no pain, I had no swelling, I had absolutely nothing. And I had these teeth. I didn't even have any blood. And I just couldn't believe how fantastic it was.
He gave me a course of painkillers for the first day, ibuprofen or whatever, and I took them in late at the evening time so I could sleep, and back to work the following morning, right as rain.
If you've ever had to wear a denture and you can remember what it was like before you had the denture, that's what it's like with implants. It's as simple as that. It's having your own teeth back.
I feel 100% confident that my joy of eating nearly all sorts of food are still unlimited.
I can bite an apple, I can do anything. Honestly, I can literally bite an apple. I couldn't do those, but I haven't bitten an apple for years. But I'm very pleased.
For less than the cost of a decent holiday or anything, I've got my life back. And I would recommend it to anybody.
He's put me back together again. I just can't thank him enough.
I would recommend anyone who feels in a similar predicament that I was in to have no hesitation whatsoever. If you don't proceed, at least go and see Nigel, and I'm sure once you meet the person, you will be convinced that he is the man to look after your situation.